Bill Biederman with the closing comments from the Allendale Trading Room, and it is March 17th. We had a pretty good day today. The dollar was down just a little bit here, closing at 79.89, right near the 50-day moving average. Now, there's a head and shoulder top on the chart, and if they take out 79.80, that will breach the 50-day moving average, and you'll probably see some computer program selling going into effect. So that's a key to watch, because that's going to really determine the trend on a lot of commodities. The crude oil has been responding to the weaker dollar. It's up to 82.80, pushing into the resistance. Key resistance in the crude oil is 83 to 84.5. And that's probably going to be an area where it should be sold. I mean, it's certainly up against resistance. Support in the crude in a bigger picture sense is back down in the $71 to $74 area. So if you figure just a sideways range for the year, it'd be a good parameter to be watching for a place to sell that crude oil. But the dollar will be the key to that. The corn today also responded, being up 7.25 cents. We're at 3.74. That's actually 10 cents higher for the week now. In addition to the dollar, there's flood warnings out. If you turn on your TV, you'll see a lot of video footage from the north Midwestern Corn Belt. And the field work concerns that are associated with that are the reasons for the strength. The acreage estimates range between up 2 million acres and up 4.5 million acres right now, and certainly weather is going to be the depending factor of whether we get the acreage increase. In the beans, we closed at 9.25. That was 14 cents higher today, 34 cents higher for the week. Flood certainly going to be one of the emotional reasons that the market goes up, but certainly not a real reason, in the sense that if you can't plant corn because it's too wet, you'll certainly get those acres planted in beans. That would be bearish, not bullish. But there's other news here with the Argentine dock workers strike hitting the news. That's been providing some support. Now, you need to realize that that's an annual event, and the Argentine workers, when they go on strike, they actually keep working, and they're scheduled to keep working at least until the Easter holiday. So it really shouldn't affect the market at all, but it's good media coverage. And in the Brazil, they have shipping delays between 14 to 16 days, and there's theories that that'll push some business towards the U.S. because it's too big of a waiting line. Actually, that's about normal for them at this time of year. So actually, we've seen up to 24 days shipping delays in some years. So really, the fundamentals that are driving the bean market right now are more emotional and more media driven. In the wheat market, we closed at 4.96. That was up 8 cents, just kind of a sideways market there. In the cattle, we closed real strong again, 96.15, up 67. Talk out of Washington that they expect Asian demand to return. Hopes are that Japan will relax their restrictions on the number of days old that cattle can be shipped. Also talk about South Korea and maybe even China doing some business there. You need to read our comments. Go to our beef closing commentary on that. Wholesale beef also was real strong at $1.50. In the hog market, we closed at 71.60. We're seeing a little bit of pressure there, mostly coming from the poultry sector on competing meats over on the retail shelf. So a little bit of a setback there. But overall, it was a really good day in commodities. If you want to give us a call at 800-262-7538, that'd be great. We got several strategies we're working on right now. And or you can go to our website, allendale-inc.com. And if you're not a subscriber, just go to the subscriber choices or subscription choices, and you can select a free trial there. Have a good trading day.